Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to explain about the Arcade Facilitator program. It is completely free of cost gaming campaign where technical practitioners of any levels can participate and learn some new cloud skills. This program will be held from July 22nd to September 22nd. Registration for the program will be opened on July 22nd at 5 p.m. So, why should you enroll in this program? You can learn and earn this kind of Google Cloud-hosted digital badges. This is a arcade game badge, this is arcade trivia game badge, and this badge is known as skill badge. Now, after completing any arcade games, you will earn some arcade points also. And you can use this arcade points to redeem some cool Google Cloud goodies like these. Now it's time to discuss about the syllabus. Every month there will be 4 arcade games, showing here. Comparing all the games, Level 1 arcade game is beginner friendly, Level 2 is intermediate and Level 3 is advanced. And this one is of moderate level. Note, each game contains 1 arcade point usually. Every week, in a month, there will be a trivia game. This one will be released on first week. This one, on second. And this one, in third. And lastly, this one will be released on fourth week. Usually trivia games also contains 1 arcade point each. Now it's time for points system. For Level 1 game, Level 2 game, Level 3 game or trivia games you will earn 1 arcade point each. And for skill badges, if you complete 2 skill badges, you will earn 1 arcade point. When you reach any specific milestone, you will earn some bonus points. Let's take an example. Suppose you have 2 arcade game badges, 2 trivia game badges, and 8 skill badges. Then, you will have 8 arcade points, and you have reached a milestone, then you will receive 2 arcade points as bonus. Now I am going to discuss about the milestones. To reach milestone 1, you have to complete 2 arcade games, 2 trivia games, and 8 skill badges, and then, you will receive 2 arcade points as bonus. For milestone 2 you have to complete 3 arcade games, 4 trivia games and 18 skill badges, then you will receive 9 bonus points. For milestone 3 you have to complete 5 games, 6 trivia games, 28 skill badges, and then you will receive 15 bonus points. And, the last one, is ultimate milestone. To reach this milestone, you have to complete 6 arcade games, 8 trivia games and 42 skill badges. As a token of appreciation, you will receive 25 bonus points. That's all about this program. If you have any queries, or want to know more information regarding this program, you can comment below. If you are new, and need some guide, then, you can join our group. Link is given in the description.